This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to repair an ear hook on a Powerbeats Pro wireless. Let's begin. First, you will go ahead and need some heat. So adjust your heat gun to about 100, 120, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and a good set of blowing speed. And just don't heat up the housing itself, because the Powerbeats Pro are made out of very, very thin plastic. So do not heat the Powerbeats Pro casing. Only heat the ear hook at this point. So what we will do is just slightly heat the ear hook. And this is going to be your right side. It works for both. But the ear hooks are just different for both. Give it a good amount of heat. Since you're going to be replacing this ear hook anyway, it's okay if there's a little bit of heat damage or so, but still try to do your best with not doing any heat damage. Divide it like that. So there will be a clip right above here in the Powerbeats Pro ear hook. So what you will need to do, grab the housing. If there is a speaker, I just grabbed the demo for you guys with the speaker off. So you will have to grab it. And it's a little bit tough. Sometimes you need to use a little bit more heat, but you can see it's coming off a little bit. Use some heat and just pull it off. Twist up, and then it should pop right off, like so. Get that ear hook away. Make sure to clean up all the residue in here. To make sure that it fits very nicely. Okay, grab your ear hook. Make sure you are having it on the right way. Go ahead and use some B7000 that we sell on our website. Just go ahead, add a nice layer of B7000 in there. Not too much, you don't want it start to come out of the other side. Just enough to get it to glue. So there is a clip here. The clip will mostly do the job of holding the ear hook together. But I do have saran wrap. It's a slight piece of saran wrap. What I will do is grab it here, and then I'm going to twist it around the speaker and the speaker driver side and the housing side to make sure it holds it into place. And curing time's about 24 hours. Just don't be using your Powerbeats Pro, because if you do wear it and it does come off, it will just be a complete mess, because you'll have to re-clean everything, put everything back together. But that's kind of how it's done. And that's how you repair a Powerbeats Pro ear hook. Thanks for watching, guys.